Fever is a common symptom of many illnesses and is often characterized by an increase in body temperature above the normal range of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius. While fever is the body's way of fighting off infections, it can also be uncomfortable and cause other symptoms such as headache, muscle aches, and fatigue. Here are some home remedies to help alleviate fever symptoms. Stay hydrated. Fever can cause dehydration, so it is important to drink plenty of fluids, especially water. Other good options include clear broths, herbal teas, and electrolyte-rich sports drinks. Get plenty of rest. The body needs rest to recover from illness, so make sure to get enough sleep and avoid strenuous activities. Use a cool compress. Apply a cool, damp washcloth to the forehead or other areas of the body to help lower body temperature. Avoid using cold water or ice, which can be too harsh and cause shivering. Take a tepid bath. A tepid bath or shower can help cool the body and reduce fever symptoms. Make sure the water is not too cold, as this can also cause shivering and make the fever worse. Use fever-reducing medications. Over-the-counter medications like acetaminophen or ibuprofen can help reduce fever and alleviate other symptoms like headache and muscle aches. Always follow the recommended dosage instructions and check with a healthcare provider if you have any questions or concerns. Eat light, healthy meals. When you have a fever, it's important to nourish your body with healthy foods that are easy to digest. Some good options include soup, broth, fruits, and vegetables. Avoid heavy, greasy foods that can be difficult to digest. Try herbal remedies. Some herbal remedies, such as echinacea, ginger, and elderberry, may help boost the immune system and alleviate fever symptoms. Always check with a healthcare provider before trying any new herbal remedies, especially if you are taking medications or have a medical condition. It is important to note that if a fever is high or lasts longer than a few days, or if it is accompanied by other symptoms like difficulty breathing, chest pain, or confusion, it is important to seek medical attention right away. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more videos.